Right, so at this point, we are done with the necessary setups and installations that we need to do to proceed in this course. However, I want to show you how you can proceed from this point because I have two sections that teaches about basic command line skills on the different operating systems. One teaches about basic command line skills on a Macintosh operating system, and the other teaches about basic command line skills on the Windows operating system. I want to start by making you aware that these sections are optional. So if you know your way around the terminal on the Unix operating system or on the Macintosh operating system, then feel free to skip that. If you also know your way in the terminal on a Windows operating system where it is usually called the command prompt, then you also want to feel free to skip it. However, if you don't have these basic skills, then I encourage you to watch the videos in a section that aligns with the operating system that you are using. So for people on Windows, you have to watch the section that teaches the basic command line skills on Windows. And for people on Macintosh, you want to watch the section that teaches basic command line skills on the Macintosh operating system. With that said, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.